Hello Shetats and Shekal and all you viewers out there. So this is Asger and Mette again.
From freezing Denmark.
From freezing cold, icy Denmark. And we are at a parking lot, as you can tell. So this is our workout day number 1. We have to... Mette, where are you at? Look at us. We are at a parking lot and we are going to do the workout for day number 1. So that's 5 sets, right? 5 sets of first one crawling all the way down to the spot, and then you have to run back, and then you have to jump all the way to the spot again and run back again. So Mette will film me doing it, and afterwards I'll film her doing it. So let's go. I don't know how we reverse the camera. Can we do that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, you'll just film me like that then. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Er det mærkeligt?
Turn around. Hello. Okay, Mette will film me doing it. This is our starting point. Then you film it. Okay. Yeah. So let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, the run back was easy. Now I'll film Mette. It hurts. The hands really hurt. We should have found a beach like she did. All the way to the red car and run back again. There she goes. Yay! Go Mette! Alright, so this is our workout, guys. We're going to do 5 more sets and then we are going to make a short video again.
4 more.
Sorry, 4 more. 5 in all. See you later. Hello guys. I decided to take you for the last set. And we found out that it hurts too much in your hands to do the crawling. So we are doing the knee ups, lift our knees while we run backwards. Alright, so now I'll do the second training for the last set, and that is jumping, and I'm at the goal. Okay, and all the way back again. And now we're going to find some stairs to do the workout from day number 2. Where she ran up the stairs with his sister and Hamron. See you at the stairs. Are you ready? Let's do this!
Yes.
Alright, so guys and girls, Shetats and Shekals, we are doing the stairs of the awesome Ørestad building of death. So Mette is ready to go. She got the running she wants. Alright, and I'm going to show you the first set of stairs that we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to do one step.
Ja.
Inde på biblioteket. Jeg vil forestille mig, at du bare går hen og trykker på døren. Ja, det tror jeg. Nå, jeg ved det ikke. Ja, du skal bruge dit kort. Så. Okay, so we're going to do the stairs. And we're all ready. Mette, you're excited?
I don't know if I'm excited.
Okay, Mette, you go first. I'll go second.
Okay.
Go.
Can I go?
Yeah, I'll make a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, and I'm going to run right after. And this is the stairs we are doing. So I'll only film this one time, and we are going to do them 5, just like Shay and his sister and Hayam Ron did. Okay. So I think these are actually pretty they're pretty high up. So we'll go to the top with you guys, and then I got in front of you. So we are going to the top, and then I'm going to stop, and then you'll just have to trust us for doing. Wow, it got really dark now. Then you'll just have to trust us for doing the last 5 times. Wow, there's a playground up here. That's pretty cool. Alright, Mette, you tired?
Hey, there's a playground.
Yeah, just open.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so see you guys tomorrow. Have a great workout on, and have fun, kids. Bye bye. Okay, hello guys. So Mette just reminded me that we could do the pull-ups here. So I'm so glad she did, because now we're going to see how many pull-ups I can do and how many pull-ups I'll have to do by the end of Shaytober. Because I told myself as a goal to do double amount of pull-ups that I could do from the beginning of Shaytober. So here we go. 1,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, kom så, 12, 13, 14.
14. That's the goal. 28 is the goal. That's all for now.